Lee has got a news article he wants to talk about. What you got, Lee?
Talk about your news article, Lee.
What's your article
Let's
about?
do it. No, so apparently Disney, they are replacing Photopass photographers at select meet and greet locations with basically a wooden box is what it comes down to. It's an automated camera that's positioned in the room to take photos of your interaction with the characters.
It's your camera in a box.
Step one. So there's 9 different locations right now where they're doing these automated cameras. So I don't know, like I'm torn here. The first reaction is like, this is a bad idea. This is going to be photographers out of business, so on and so forth. But I'm thinking maybe they're just taking those same photographers and utilizing them elsewhere in the park. I haven't actually seen any pictures that have come from this, but I mean, just common sense, though, will tell you that a person with a camera is going to be able to react better than a box that's just going to take random pictures. But apparently it's supposed to take, like, from the minute you walk up towards the character, start taking pictures, and then when you're done, it's done. So there should be, like, a lot to choose from. But it just seems like a weird thing that it would take away. Like, I understand stuff's going to get automated, but a photographer is a pretty, like, you need a person to take those pictures.
So like a photo booth kind of thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, like a photo booth. Yeah, exactly. And
You got your little strip of
you know,
photos.
I mean, I'm just imagining, like, you know, Mickey's head getting cut off, or, you know, your kid's, like, just half his face is in the picture or something. And I don't know. I mean, I'm sure this is going to save some money somewhere, but.
Oh, I'm sure they'll save a lot of money, but I would rather have a human the photographer to take the picture. At least you can give direction to a human. Say, hey, can you just, you know, get us from this shot or something like that. But yeah, what you see is what you get with a wood box.
But yeah, it's going to be like your cell phone. Basically, it's like taking a selfie, right?
Yeah, I'm sure maybe the resolution might be better of the photo.
Now, that's a conspiracy theory, right?
What?
Is
What's
that when you get up to the front of the line, the idea is you got to purchase Memory Maker now because there's no person over there you can hand your cell phone to and say, hey, take a picture of me and my kid with Jasmine. I mean, there's nobody to hand
There's no one to do that anymore.
Right. So
now this isn't replacing all the Photopass photographers. It's just certain meet and greets. But yeah, I mean, it's going to get, you know, it's going to expand, right? I mean,
of course. I'm
sure we're going to have, like, you know, Otto the robot out on Main Street taking pictures in front of the castle of your family and stuff. I don't know. I mean, like, of all the things you can replace, I think a photographer, really, you need that human touch.
Yes, I agree with that.
Yeah, and the box can't move. Like, so let's say your kid is comfortable, but they're comfortable at a certain angle. And the box can't move. It can't go to the right. And they're like, okay, kid's facing to the right now. We can go ahead and just slightly everybody adjust to the right, and boom, we get our perfect shot.
And here come the ECV, run right into the box.
Yeah.
Wide open.
Grandma got rid.
That's right.
Wide open.
Bam!
Yeah.
And topples over in the side. Oh, this attraction's closed.
Yeah.
Sorry. The moose up front should have told you.
I like it. Our picture's now sideways. This is great.
Well, you know, I mean, what you said, Danny, actually just kind of flipped something in my head, because at first I'm like, oh, this is going to make me hard. This is going to make it harder for me to recognize.
I didn't know you liked it that much.
Recommend. It's going to make it harder for me to recommend getting PhotoPass.
It is.
But really, you almost need it now, because, like you said, there's not going to be anyone there to take your own pictures. Or, you know, mom's going to have to stand behind the box and take the picture with dad and the kid. Because you can't get the whole family in there anymore.
You know, hey, real quick, I found the schematic. So they put online real quick the
let me see it.
The instructions for how they're going to go about creating these boxes. It says it's easy to do. Just follow these steps. 1, cut a hole in the box. 2, put your junk in the box. 3,
put
make
your
her open
bar in the box.
And that's how you do it.
And that's how you do it.
Is that the John Lasseter box?
It's a camera in the box. So
it's a camera in the
John Lasseter box.
Created by Johnny Salami.
Camera in a box. Kwanzaa camera in a box.
Camera in a box.
Oh, that's that limited time magic.
Oh, wow.